Hello friends, today we are heading towards Cauvery Wildlife Sanctuary. It is on Kanakpura and it is approximately 80 kilometers from Bangalore.
So this is National Highway 948A and we are heading towards Ramnagar district area Cauvery Wildlife Sanctuary. दोस्तों, Cauvery Wildlife Sanctuary is in 3 districts. One is Ramnagar, one is Mandya, one is Chamarajnagar. So let's see what is there in store in Wildlife Sanctuary here in Ramnagar district. दोस्तों, ये मेकेदातु रोड है और संगमा जिसे कहते हैं काफ़ी फेमस है ये. हम शायद मेकेदातु भी कवर करेंगे हमारे इस ट्रिप में. एंजॉय कीजिए ये प्रकृति का नज़ारा. अद्भुत, वंडरफुल. बहुत ही प्यारा नज़ारा है. We just stood by on the road and just admiring it. नैसर्गिक खूबसूरती आप भी एंजॉय कीजिए. दोस्तों, ये है गेट वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी का, कावेरी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. यहाँ आपको एंट्री करनी पड़ती है. These are some rules and guidelines: not to smoke, not to drink, not to park anywhere. Please follow the rules and guidelines. अंदर में ये कुछ गांव जैसा माहौल है. People are residing here. Let's see what's ahead. नज़ारा बहुत ही सुंदर है. And you will see lots of butterflies crossing the road, following you. It's really eye-capturing, breathtaking. There are some hairpin bends here, so be careful while driving. And this road looks similarly like Bandipur Forest Road, which is way towards Ooty. We are literally enjoying it. ये दूसरा है hairpin bend. ये पार्किंग एरिया है. So there's a correction. This is the way. The whole way is Wildlife Sanctuary Road, and then we are heading towards Makedatu Sangama. And the parking fee, the entry fee is 30 rupees. काफ़ी भीड़ है यहाँ. बंदर दिख रहे हैं. Be careful here. Though you have paid 30 rupees, inside the local people will ask for some extra charges. So here's the starting view. Enjoy the view. So here is the public enjoying the Sangama. It is said that Makedatu is Sangam of 2 rivers. One is Cauvery, the other one I will let you know. So basically we had covered 2 places. The wildlife sanctuary, which was en route, couldn't find any animals, and the stop is Makedatu here. A tourist place, picnic spot. Localites are selling their food items. This place could have been maintained a little more properly, littered around. Though it's a popular place, but maintenance and control mechanism a little weak. Parking area is also not. There's a signboard about Cauvery Wildlife Division, which talks about the rules, regulations, do's, don'ts. It said that no swimming, but still you can find people swimming here because there is no one to control them. ये देख के कुछ ठीक नहीं लगा. A very small place to visit and enjoy. But the irony, it's a well popular place which is of some story of a goat in Kannada called as Meke, and the goat has crossed the two rivers, something like that. That's the reason Makedatu Sangama. And lots of monkeys. The irony is, it's written here, swimming is prohibited. There are crocodiles and whirlpool in the river. Still, you'll find people there in the river. So it was not such a great experience, but en route we enjoyed. I would not recommend Makedatu as a place, but the route towards Makedatu is really, really awesome. So do watch the videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know your comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.